In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, welcome, viewers, in this episode. We continue answering your questions and comments, making this the second episode in our Q&A series. We will answer all the medical questions, God willing, within our permitted time. Regarding sodium bicarbonate, can it be added to food because its taste is unpleasant? Of course, adding it to food will drastically change the food's taste. It is much better to dissolve it in water and drink it rather than adding it to your meals. A comment says, this is incorrect. It is harmful to kidney patients, and excessive consumption sodium bicarbonate has been used for decades in mice trials, and people have long known and used it to treat acidity. Modern research simply wanted to uncover its exact benefits and effects inside the body, which is why it was tested on mice. However, its benefits are well known, and numerous studies prove that its effect on the kidneys is positive and beneficial, not harmful. Ibrahim Ahmed says, whoever wants to recover should drink bicarbonate without additives. I have actually tried it without additives. Brother Mohamady from Syria, who is 82 years old, asks, is there a medication for anxiety and insomnia? Anxiety and insomnia are very common phenomena, especially with older age. Sleep difficulties usually begin after age 45. This is because, as we age, the secretion of the primary sleep hormone, melatonin, decreases. This hormone is abundant during childhood, then gradually decreases until it almost disappears after age 50. Consequently, anxiety and insomnia occur. The solution is to take melatonin tablets, available in pharmacies, at a dose of 1 to 2 milligrams in the evening. If melatonin doesn't work, we look for other causes. The reason might be psychological, such as depression preventing sleep, or the cause could be physical, like severe joint or back pain causing insomnia and subsequent depression. If there is no pain or depression, and you don't overconsume stimulants at night, the solution is melatonin. A frequently asked question, should bicarbonate be taken before or after food? The definitive answer, never take it after eating so as not to ruin digestion. A 57-year-old follower asks if they can take it. Yes, you can take it as explained, but it is strictly warned against for high blood pressure patients. Is olive oil a highly alkaline substance that breaks down iron in the body and requires adding lemon? No, olive oil does not affect iron absorption at all and causes no such harm. A follower shares his experience. He suffered a heart attack in 2001 and had open heart surgery. By consuming a tablespoon of olive oil daily with lemon for 17 years, his old arteries reopened. This is practical proof of the benefits of olive oil for heart, artery, and high cholesterol patients, which is a golden piece of advice for anyone over 40. Does the drug Acarbose help with weight loss? Yes, because it prevents the absorption of sugar and carbohydrates from the intestines, and continuous use may lead to weight loss. Can we put bicarbonate in capsules and swallow them? Yes, some herbalists sell empty capsules for filling, and some pharmaceutical companies actually do this. A follower asks about her diabetic mother suffering from severe heat and pain in her feet at night. This is caused by peripheral neuropathy. In addition to controlling blood sugar, she must take vitamin B12 injections, milka pills, and alpha-lipoic acid thiazide to nourish the nerves. Finally, 1 capsule of duloxetine can be taken before bed under medical supervision to prevent nerve pain. Stevia sugar is available in pharmacies and markets. It is a healthy botanical sweetener, but it is entirely different from regular rock candy. Symptoms of excess iron in the body include weakness, frailty, and pale color. Tests must be done to confirm its levels because it affects the kidneys. Is olive oil good for kidney patients? Absolutely. A follower from Morocco notes they drink green tea 3 times a day and their diabetes rate is very low. A follower has been continuously drinking bicarbonate for months. I advise him to continue for only 2 days a week as regular maintenance. Daily use is unnecessary. A question about cholesterol and triglyceride medication statins causing cancer. This is untrue. They lower fats but do have side effects. As an ongoing natural alternative to prevent high triglycerides, I recommend a mix of olive oil and flaxseed oil, as they obliterate fats and cholesterol. What are the negatives of bicarbonate for stomach ulcers? It has no negative effects on ulcers. Its drawback is that it contains sodium, which affects high blood pressure patients. A follower says olive oil in his country is adulterated. To distinguish fake oil from natural, place a glass of oil in the freezer for a day and a night. If it freezes and turns solid, it is natural. If it doesn't freeze, it's mixed with other oils like sunflower oil. This is an excellent home test. A patient with unstable blood pressure asks about sodium bicarbonate. It is never recommended for anyone suffering from high blood pressure. Question: is Iserb a substitute for Aspacid? No, it is completely different. Thank you.
هل نستطيع وضع الكربونات في كبسولات ونشربها؟ طبعا.